Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable the Ultimate Performance Power Plan in Windows 10 and Windows 11 to boost your PC's speed. It's simple and takes just a minute. Ready? Let's get started. First, search for Control Panel in the Start menu and open it. Set the View by option to Small Icons in the top right. Then, click on Power Options. Here, you'll see your current power plans, like Balanced. If Ultimate Performance isn't listed, we'll add it now. Right-click the Start button. From the menu, choose Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt Admin, whichever you see. Click Yes on the User Account Control prompt. In the window that opens, paste this command. I've put the exact command in the video description for easy copying. Press Enter to run it. You should see a message with Power Scheme GUID and Ultimate Performance at the end. Great. Back in Power Options, you might need to click Show Additional Plans to expand the list. There it is, Ultimate Performance. Select it to activate. If you want to customize, click Change Plan Settings next to it. Set options like Turn off the display or Put the computer to sleep to Never for max performance. Then, save changes. That's how you enable Ultimate Performance mode in Windows 10 and 11. And if you want an even bigger boost, don't miss my C Drive cleanup tutorial, where I show you step-by-step how to free up 10 gigabytes or even more of disk space safely. Drop a comment if it worked for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay passionate about tech.